yesterday. Chef's Brew, Hazy IPA. Loving the label. Damn, that guy's scary. Frosted my mug just to make sure. A Manchester United mug. You know, gotta represent. But let's take a look, right? Let's pop it open. Very nice. Let's give it a good pour here. Oh man, look at that. That's pretty, man. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, you smell the citrus. See, I'm a big fan of Blue Moons, IPAs, the Belgian beers. Love that fruity little flavor. Cheers. Oh, man. That's really good. Wow. Look at that. Love it. Hazy double IPA, Chef's Brew. Check it out, man. They're doing big things. This flavor is fantastic. Donnie, guys, this is something else, man. Good job. Congratulations. Good luck. I don't know the slogan. I forgot it. I can't read it off my phone, but proud of you guys.
Don't worry, Coobs. I got this for you.
Out.
Drink more.
Please.
Think less.
Fantastic.
Get lit. Chef's Brew. The best pick. Drink responsibly.
Oh, my God.